this world below, and there's no sickness, no toil, no danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my father and all my loved ones who've gone on. Well, I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. I know dark clouds will gather around me. I know my way is tough and steep. Beauteous fields arise before me, where God's redeemed and vigils keep. I'm going there to see my mother. She said she'd meet me when I come. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just